Model, 2014 VAUXHALL Vivaro long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI 115 PS Sportive Van 2.9t EURO5 body, silver, panel van mileage, 161947 MOT, the 19th of November 2023 engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp EURO5 B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors EU status, EURO5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999